Hello, children, how are you? I hope you all are well at home. Dear children, this is our first class after Christmas holiday. So, I welcome you all to the Standard 3 Literature class. Children, today I am going to teach you chapter 10. Kindly all of you open at page number 101. How the Leaves Came Down. Written by Susan Collins. How the Leaves Came Down was published after Susan's death in Lady's Home Journal magazine in 1907. Have you wondered what happens to the leaves on trees in autumn? What colors do leaves turn into before winter? Draw a few leaves of plants you know and color them to show how they change before winter. Children, turn the page. Dear students, now I am going to read this poem. You all of you listen to me attentively. I will tell you how the leaves came down. The great tree to his children said, "You are getting sleepy, yellow and brown." "Yes, very sleepy, little red. It is quite time to go to bed." "Ah," begged each silly, pouting leaf, "let us a little longer stay. Dear Father Tree, behold our grief. 'Tis such a very pleasant day. We do not want to go away." Children, here pouting means make a face using one's lips to show annoyance, and pleasant means pleasing to one's senses. So, for just one more merry day, to the great tree the leaflets clung, frolicked and danced, and had their way upon the autumn breeze swung, whispering all their spots among. Here, leaflets means single leaves, frolicked means play about in a fun manner. Perhaps the great tree will forget and let us stay until the spring, if we all beg and conch and fret. But the great tree did no such thing. He smiled to hear their whispering. Cost means to pursued. "Come, children, all to bed," he cried, and ere the leaves could urge their prayer, he shook his head and far and wide, fluttering and rustling everywhere. Down sped the leaflets through the air. Children, turn the page. I saw them on the ground, they lay, golden and red, a huddled swarm, waiting till one from far away, white bedclothes heaped upon her arm, should come to wrap them safe and warm. Children, huddled means to gather. The great bare tree looked down and smiled. "Good night, dear little leaves," he said, and from below each sleepy child replied, "Good night," and murmured, "It is so nice to go to bed." Children, the summary of this poem is: the poem describes the father tree asking his children, the leaves, to go to sleep As they have become tired now, they would fall asleep. And this statement is described in the poem depicting the season of the fall when the leaves will brown and wither away. Students, you write down the highlighted words in the literature copy and learn it. Thank you.